Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own stickers. So we're going to be doing two different ways of making your own stickers. First, we're going to be making stickers using a PNG that you download. So that's what we're going to be doing first. You'll see here that I am just downloading some files that I purchased. We are just going to download those into Cricut Design Space. They are already set to print and cut, so we're not going to have to do any additional work with these. We are just going to move them around, space them how you want to space them, however you want them to look on your sticker sheet. And this one's going to be nice and easy. So as you see here, I am just kind of getting my spacing right. Also going to align them, and this is just really optional. I just kind of did this because I wanted them to look a certain way when I printed them out, but you don't necessarily have to do this. If you're going to be selling your stickers, you may want to do this, but if you're doing it for yourself, you don't have to. But you'll just see that I am just selecting multiple stickers at one time, and I am just aligning them to the bottom so that each sticker that is beside each other is just aligned to the bottom so that they are just kind of side by side. So that's what I'm doing here. And next you are going to see me just attach them together so that when I get ready to print them, they are going to stay in the same place as I have them placed here, so that Cricut doesn't just kind of scatter them how they want to. So I'm just going to attach them here, and as you can see, I'm just moving them around so that you can see that they're all set as one piece, even though they are going to cut individually. And as you can see at the top, just above there where it says operation, it's already set to print then cut. So now we're just going to hit make. You can go ahead and save it, but we can hit make, and the next part is just going to be printing it and cutting it. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it. We have it set up on our mat. I'm just using 8.5 by 11 sheets of printable vinyl. You can use just regular sticker paper, but the printable vinyl is another alternative. I am using the setting for the vinyl that I have. I use the printable vinyl specialty setting. The printable vinyl that I am using is the HTV Ront brand, and it is a glossy printable vinyl, and that is why I chose that one, because I did like the glossy. And I will have that linked in the description. I did purchase it from Amazon, so I could get it pretty quickly. So I will have that linked if you're interested in that particular one. And next, you're going to see a different style of sticker here. These are going to be stickers that you make from scratch, and you have to do a little bit more work. So I'm just going to show you how I go through and make everything from scratch. We're just going to type out a few different words. Just choosing some different fonts. It's just a couple extra steps, but it's still really easy. So here I just have my name. I'm just going to go through, pick out my colors. I am going to make sure to combine. Anytime you use a script font, you want to make sure that you just weld it so that it's all one. I'm going to add an offset to this. And this is just going to be like the white outline around the outside of it. Mine is automatically making it black, but you can go and change it to whatever color you like. I'm going to select both pieces, and then I'm just going to flatten it. I am going to change my canvas color to gray so that you can see that I have that outline around the outside of it, just so that it's just easier to see. So we're going to go through and do that for each of the stickers that we're going to be making today. This process, I'm just going to repeat it. Cricut does have another function that you can use called Create Sticker. You probably see that at the top of the screen there. That is another option. I have been using Cricut for so long, and this is just how I've always made stickers. You can always use that other option, but this is just how I've always done it. I'm not sure if you have to have the all access pass to be able to use the create sticker function, but I don't have that. But this is still a really easy way, even if you don't have the Cricut access. It's just really easy if you want to make stickers for yourself, or you want to make them for someone else, or if you want to, you know, create a business as well. The options are just really endless. But here I'm just going through and changing the colors for all of the letters here. And then I'm also going to change the font to the second one. I'm just kind of mixing up the fonts that I have. I have a block font, and I do also want to add a script font just to kind of mix those up and come up with something really cute. And so I'm just going to mix those up together. And you're basically just going to see me go through pretty much the same process for each of the stickers. On this particular sheet, we're going to create just 4 stickers. They're all kind of large stickers, and these stickers are made for both inkjet and laser printers, so you can use them on both. I know with the instructions for this printable vinyl, it does say that you want to make sure that you let it dry before you cut. I will say I didn't do that, but it does say in the instructions to let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. I know that sounds like a bit much, but after I printed it, I did go ahead and cut it right away. And I'm sure that's going to vary just depending on your printer and how long it takes for it to dry. But I just used an inkjet printer and it worked fine for me. When I printed mine out, I did just make sure that I choose the best quality, and overall I would definitely purchase this again. I don't remember exactly how much it cost, but again, they were 8.5 by 11 sheets, and it came with a good bit in there. I have used another printable vinyl in the past, but I did want to purchase some that had a good bit more in the pack so I could have a lot more to use. So I would definitely recommend this. And so I'm just going to go through and finish out the rest of the stickers, and I'll come back here in a few and show you the end product. All right, so as y'all can see, I have finished. This is the one that I showed at the beginning. This is the one I did prior to starting the video, just as a tester to test out the settings, just to show y'all these. This is to show you that the sticker does come off. And then these are the two that I made just now. So the reason that I did two different ones was because I did want to show the two different ways. This particular one was one that was already pre-made. It was already flattened, so all I had to do was just import these into Design Space, and then I just had to print and cut. There was no additional steps that were required. So this is that one, and it's your sticker. And then for these, I did want to show these because these I did have to go through and do the extra steps where after I added everything, because I made these from scratch, I did have to go and flatten these. So same with these, everything did cut, and these are fairly large. These do come on 8.5 by 11 sheets. I did just go ahead and cut them down just so that they look a little bit better when you cut them down. So if you're making them for yourself and you want to make them easier to put into a notebook, or if you're just giving them to someone and you want them to look a little bit nicer, or if you're someone that sells stickers and you want to have them look a little bit neater, you can do that because it doesn't have the grid lines. But this is how everything came out. I hope everyone enjoyed the video today. I will link the printable vinyl that I used in the description box if you're interested. Again, it is the HTV Ront printable vinyl sticker paper. If you wanted to bulk these stickers up a little bit more, you can add one of those clear sheets to the top of it that have like the sparkles to it. I've used one of those in my previous videos when I made a cup, and I can link that in the description as well. But just let me know if this is something that you're interested in seeing more of. This is something that you can use to make planner stickers. With back to school coming up, I know a lot of kids like to put stickers on their notebooks and things like that. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.